Right, this is our cycling trip just about to start. Go and get some helmets. We're just about to set out on our cycle trail, as you can see.
You look very professional. Wow, a trek, mountain bike of all things.
Right, we're off.
Are we now?
Yes, go for it.
Good sir.
Rain! Sunglasses on.
Seeing who was behind me there.
All the rice fields and people out picking it. Here are lots of little bridges. Really rickety, brilliant.
Hello.
Wow, look at that. Look at that kingfisher. It's moving its bill at the moment. Just let it go back. A little break. Look at the view.
Tell us what's going on.
Having another wee break. Beautiful blue sky, gorgeous.
Alright.
It was a deluge earlier, absolute deluge, and we couldn't get our coats on in time. But now we have blue sky and it is beautiful.
Tell us more.
That man's getting us dinner soon.
Am I the fire cracker? Am I the fire maker then? Yeah.
No comment.
Would you?
Okay. Have you ever seen a mango tree? This is mango.
Mango tree.
The most drought tolerant food item.
This is our lunch place, which is brilliant.
Use them for dishwashing. Yeah, the brush. The fiber part, they make rugs, brooms, mattresses from this. Yeah, so this is the nut. It has a hard shell, you know. And this is the kernel, the fleshy part that you can eat in the immature king coconut. Yeah, and this is the way we make the grated coconut by using the coconut scraper and scraper. Yeah. Suppose that you are making sambal. Show you, yeah.
Right, I think what we've got here is some chicken, some potato, there's some courgette or something like that, there's some beans and 2 different types of rice and a banana leaf.
Great.
So these are made by this really lovely man who owns this house here, who's hosted us for our meal with his family. And he started a bit of a business taking the coconut, the outside coconut, and making these spoons and adding this simple wood, and it's a really useful thing, and he's selling them for 75 rupees.
Oh, okay, that's lunch over and done with, and it's time to get back on the bikes and head back now to the hotel for hopefully a really lovely shower and clean clothes. Absolutely brilliant.